Mutumia ehumbite gitambaya mutwe wake onekaga ari murungaro makiria na mundu urathingata motaro madini megie mehumbire. No riria ambunge atumia maigirire giikaro-ini kia mbunge miaraho ya umuthi mekirite itambaya mitwe yao, arunao arume monire tari karata marathakirwo ona thengia wa Speaker Justin Muturi kwaga gitumi gia kumainainia.
Mr. Speaker, I want to finally to assure us whether we are safe, because this can be a cult, Mr. Speaker. This can be a cult. Mr. Speaker, this can be a sect of a religion.
Some way of dressing that will continue. They look very smart.
No hihi niki gicungiriria atumia aya mahumbire njuire ciao cia goro na itambaya.
The legislative proposal to enable the implementation of not more than 2/3 gender rule is now 8 years, Mr. Speaker, and it has not been passed. All the others have been passed.
Kuringana na mbunge wa Lugari Ayub Savura, agikorwo kiu nikio gitumi mbunge ni iri mitaratara ya kugathika mawatho.
I think this parliament we have procedures and rules. Where you want to subject us a discussion, the procedures and rules. You don't need to intimidate us through a new attire that you are not explaining to us.
In fact, this is the most dignified ways of dressing, the way we are dressed, to come in the house with a headscarf. The Bible, Mr. Speaker, says that women who cover their heads are the most holy women. That's what the Bible says. Thank you.
I'm not dealing with holiness. You know, I do not adjudicate in that area. I hope that the Honorable Perez Tobiko, who is not wearing one, is not being said to be unholy.
Maudu makinya haha athuri aria akuru niyo mahugukagirwo maheane motaro na tondu Jimmy Agwenyi niwe mukuru muno thiini wa giikaro kia mbunge 12 reke tuigue uoni wake.
My point of order is clarification. Can you all men tomorrow come here with their covias? Every man here come with your covias, and then the ladies come with their towels, so they can be in uniform.
Thutha wa mbunge 11 gutirika atumia na kwaga kugathika watho wa kuramata maiganani ta uria gatiba yendekithitie, riu ambunge atumia ni mehitite guthing'iriria runao niguo mahitukie watho ucio na ihenyo ta uria kwahoteka. Hau kabere kamitii njeru ni ihitithirio ni mucirithania munene David Maraga kuria muikariri giti wayo Joyce Mwikali eranire ni meguthingata maundu megie atumia na mbeu njithi undu uria ukindirirwo ni mucirithania munene.
We have had for a long time, we have had affirmative action in respect of the girl child, and in the process we have sort of forgotten the boy child. I am happy to note that it has already concerned you.
O niguo mbunge ya hau kabere yaremirwo ni kuhingia na riu atumia mahocetie mwihoko wao mbunge-ini ino kuona kana ni kuigua makaya mao.